Patrick, how was your Kauai retreat?
It was absolutely amazing. From start to finish, Leilani really does a great job on both the spirituality and the adventure side of exploring Kauai. I feel like I've gained so much knowledge and tools to help me as I continue on my path. I came in, I wouldn't say I was a very spiritual person, hadn't done meditation much, but she really opened up a lot of doors and does a great job explaining and teaching and showing, and I really came away with a lot of knowledge about myself and the tools I need to keep on exploring and growing.
And what about, because I know you were changing careers and kind of asking that question, who am I now? Do you feel like you got that clarity?
Yeah, absolutely. I feel like there was a lot of great moments that kind of helped me see that and helped me feel more confident in that. And I can't wait to keep on working on my meditation, keep on exploring that question, and really, dialing in and focusing on that path and being confident that I'm on the right way. So I'm very excited and very happy that I chose to do this retreat.
Yeah, thank you for coming. It was an absolute delight and just great that you have the clarity and the courage to move forward. I can't wait to see what you do. So, and we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, thank you so much for allowing.
Aloha.
Amazing. Aloha.